If you found your name or personal information on Leagle, you know how stressful it can be. Leagle publishes court opinions from federal and state courts, and because of its high authority, those links often appear right at the top of Google. In this video, I'll explain why Leagle is so difficult to remove from, what limited options you have, and why suppression is often the best path forward. Leagle is a massive case law database. It publishes court opinions from federal courts and state appellate and Supreme Courts, dating back to 1950. If you've been part of a case, appeal, or judgment, your name could appear here, even in cases marked "Do Not Publish." Because Leagle republishes decisions exactly as they appear in court records, the information is public and searchable. Here's the tough part. In most cases, removal from Leagle is nearly impossible. Leagle's strict no removal policy means that unless you have a court order sealing or redacting your record, they won't take it down. Even lawsuits against Leagle rarely succeed. A notable case, Thomas v. Leagle, in 2023, upheld Leagle's right to publish court records under the First Amendment. That makes it one of the hardest legal record sites to deal with. Even direct requests are rarely successful. If you want to try removal, here's what you can do. The first option is to secure a court order. In this situation, you'll need to work with an attorney and file a motion with the original court to seal or redact your case. If granted, send the court order to info@leagle.com to request removal. The second option is to contact Leagle directly. You can email info@leagle.com or use their contact form. While removal requests without a court order almost always fail, you can try submitting strong documentation, such as proof of harm or inaccuracies. For 99% of people, suppression is the only realistic strategy. Suppression focuses on pushing Leagle down in Google search results so it's no longer visible on page 1. Because Leagle is so resistant to removal, many people turn to reputation management services. At Guaranteed Removals, we specialize in suppressing tough court record sites like Leagle and building optimized positive content that pushes them off the first page. Click the link in the description if you need expert help managing Leagle or other court record sites, and take back control of your search results today.